I'm here with Professor Solomon Hailu, or Hailu?
That's right. That's
yeah,
right.
Yeah, Hailu. And of course, your expertise is in
International relations,
international relations. So
international development.
I put to you this question: why should international students care about the United States Constitution, since that's strictly an American document, even if you include the Declaration of Independence? It doesn't make any claim for any other country. So is that crazy for us to ask them to join in a day of giving attention to the achievement of the U.S. Constitution?
No, because the U.S. Constitution is a reflection of God's given rights to humanity. Freedom of expression, freedom of religion, anything of freedom that is given to man pre the Constitution was given by God Himself. And the only difference here we have in the United States is those rights as enshrined in the United States Constitution are being forcefully. We claim our rights, unlike some other places where they have this beautiful looking constitution, but the rights are not being given accordingly.
So, like, they're not being enforced by
They're
the law?
not being enforced, but they look very beautiful, attractive.
Can you get?
Yes, for example, the Chinese constitution is looking as good as the United States
On paper.
on paper. But when you try, and also people are not made aware to learn what those rights are in the Constitution. There is no Constitution Day, there is no movement to allow or to let the grassroots understand what their rights are in the Constitution.
Yeah.
But here in the United States, we have the Constitution Day, where every citizen should learn, understand, to know their rights and to demand it.
How do you, as an expert in political theory, and I'm sure you've studied comparative governments and all that
Yes.
with how do you see the relationship between the United States Constitution ratified in 1789 and the previous Declaration of Independence, which of course we know was famously written in 1776? Because isn't it the case that it's only in the Declaration that we have this statement about rights, inalienable rights that are granted by nature and nature's God, and these are the pre-governmental rights that I think you're talking about, that
Yes.
we in the West say are universal rights,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
So how do you see the relationship between those two documents? Because I understand some people want to divorce them quite strongly.
No, because the origin is the same, and those rights are
Inalienable?
inalienable,
Natural rights, yes.
natural rights.
Yeah,
So that's why they are transgenerational.
okay,
They're relevant today as they were
yeah.
pre-Constitution, and they will continue to be relevant because our human rights, political rights, economic rights will never change.